Hello guys, Namaskar. How are you? My name is Hemant Modi and I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker. So welcome to you all after a very long time. So I am here to present you the strategy. So as you already know, the Olymp Trade has provided you the best of the best some educational programs, and we are provided you the webinar on YouTube about different type of topics. So first, a warm welcome to all of you. As I mentioned, my name is Hemant Modi. So today we are going to discuss about one more strategy, and I will teach you how to do work with that strategy, what to do with that strategy. What you need to do, guys, you need to follow me. You need to understand, you need to just focus on that things, and then you're going to start trading according to that which I'm providing to you. The important thing is that please do not copy the trades, because trading is always very risky, guys. I'm here to provide you the best solution, and there is a situation like we have some time phrase, we have some conditions, we have some time phrase which is taking too small time actually, and that time basically can be oblige your trading, influence your trading. I'm so sorry. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy called Safari. Safari is one of the finest strategies working on the trend phase. And what is the basically strategy? Strategy is a technical tool which can help you to improve your trading stats. You can get the options like how to open the trade with that, where is the situations are going on, and this is going to be very much helpful for you. How to put the strategy over here? So in that case, let me help you here. This is the tool which is we call technical analysis. We need to go here, and once we clicked over here, guys, we are getting many of the options with the different type of segments like indicators, oscillators, drawing tools, and strategies. So we need to click to the strategy. We have 23 different strategy if you are getting an expert status holder. Guys, this blue batch strategies belongs to the starter status, this green batch strategy belongs to the advanced status, and this yellow batch strategy belongs to the expert status. Means if you are only the starter status holder, then you will have a chance to get only these strategies. If you are become advanced status, then you will have a 7 this strategies and 8 starter strategies, and if you will become an expert status, you are having a chance to get all 23 strategies. So Safari is the expert strategy. What we need to do? Click on the Safari, and when you click on the Safari, you can see there is a separate window. Here you will have a chance to get the video over here, a small. You need to click to the video, and you can find there is a video which is belongs to not more than 2 minutes. You need to do one thing, you can check it out. However, I can provide you the all details here, and to find a better situation from here also. If you forgot, then okay. Apart from this, there is a basics of the strategy. So you can check the basics and the components, like the strategies belongs to what is the composites of the strategy. We need to enable the strategy, and a strategy is going to be set on our account. What if you don't have the advanced expert status? If you are not having the advanced status, then are you not able to put that strategy? Not at all. This is not working like that. What you need to do, just you need to focus what I'm showing to you. Okay, Again you need to go to the technical analysis section. Then you need to go to the oscillators. So we need to choose two oscillator. Number one, William %R. Again you need to click to the list. Number two, MACD. Here it is. The strategy is going to set on our account. What also you can do, you can change the design of the MACD, like MACD lines, histogram, everything you can do. Okay, check it out over here and like this. So the strategy is going to set. Now what we need to do, again let me inform you, go to the strategy section, then you need to click to the strategies, and there is a strategy called Safari. So Safari is the strategy which is actually working fine on the trend phrase. The strategy is only based on the two oscillator. The name of the oscillators is William %R, which is you can see below with the green lines, and the MACD with the standard setting type with the histogram options. Okay, now how this strategy is going to be work? This is a very simple strategy that working great in the trend phase. Like whenever you see the trend, you can find the strategy is working like that. What is the setup of the strategy? The setup of the strategy is actually the MACD and William %R must be at the same position. What is the same position? Either above or either below the horizontal level. What is the horizontal level? We will discuss. If there is a signal from two indicators at once, means if we are getting the same signal from the indicators of MACD and William %R, either above the line, either below the line, then we can have a chance to open the trade. If we can get the signals which is different, means if the histogram show the multi-directional data, like MACD showing the upper direction and William % showing the down direction, then better to wait for the signal and open the trade at that moment. So guys, this is the base of the strategy. Now let's discuss about the basic concept of MACD and William %R. What is the William %R? What is the MACD? We will definitely have to understand. MACD. This one is the MACD, as you can see. MACD, the moving average conversion and divergence. MACD is a trend following momentum indicator which is showing the relationship between two moving averages of a security price, means an asset price. MACD is calculated by the subtracting the 26 period EMA moving average with the 12 period of EMA. However, we also have a chance to see two lines over here, green and red. It shows the signals. What is the green and red? The meaning of the green line basically belongs to the MACD. As you can see, the chart is moving. The MACD chart is moving. The green line is also moving like the same, and the red line belongs to the signal. Once we see the green line crosses the red line, and when it's crossed above, means it's crossing from down to up red line, then there will be a chance to get an upper trend or signal for upper trend. And if we see the line crosses from up to downtrend, then there will be a chance to get a signal for a downtrend. So this is the basic concept of the MACD. Also one more thing, please remember how to find the signals in the MACD. There is a horizontal level. This is the horizontal level of line 0, and you can see the MACD slightly sometimes crossing the line from up to down and down to up. If it's working nearby to the horizontal line, if you can check it over here, if it is working in the nearby to the horizontal line, then better to not open the trade. It's not a good idea to open the trades. Better to stop and wait till the signal is going much better. So I open one trade in front of you and I just had a positive trade over here. Okay, so before I start the conversation about the William percent, guys, those who's watching this consultation, this webinar, a warm welcome for them, and also I would like to request them, please feel free to put your comments, and if you have any queries, if you have any questions, please ask. I will give the answer in the last of the consultation. After the finishing the strategy details, I will give you the all answer of your questions. So please feel free and just ask your questions. Thank you so much. So the next indicator is William percent. William percent, as you can see, this one, we have some separate lines over there. So William percent indicator is find the price direction of an assets and reversal points from the market trends. It is a basically bounded oscillator which is usually working with the minus 0 to minus 100 level, but by defaultly it's showing minus 20 to minus 80. So the highest and top, when it's crossing the minus 20 level, we can just assume that this is the level of 0. Same with if it cross the minus 80 level and you can see the lowest level, that assume that it will be the level of 100, minus 100. So once the line crosses the minus 50 line above minus 50 or crosses below the minus 50, that will be called a signal for a trend for upper or down. Right now we are getting some signals. I am opening a trade, but I feel it might be a reversal because this is the candle which is stuck over here. But let's see. I already opened the trade. So second trade I opened in front of you. What actually this is doing, if the line of upper trend crosses the minus 20 band, upper band, it means it's near to touch the markup of the zero level. That means the chart is overbought. If the chart is overbought, what is the meaning of that? The chart is overbought, then we will find the reversal from this one. If you can see it, the line is already crosses the minus 20 level and it's going to the upper range, and then what we can do, we can find after some time, you can see there is a slight downtrend and then it's a reversal, but it's actually a downtrend situation. We are getting a small. So maybe the chart is reverse. On the upper hand, when we see on this side, if the line crosses the minus 80 level, you can check it like this. If the line crosses the minus 80 level, so that will be the situation that we are assuming that the line is already touched the 100 mark. So if it's touched the 100 mark, that means this is the chart is become oversold. So we thinking that price will likely rise soon. Rise soon means the price is going up from this moment, might be, because nothing is 100% in this market, guys. So as I feel that maybe there will be a reversal, and we got the reversal. So I'm just showing you one more thing, guys. Whenever we are opening the trades, and we have a biggest complaint, and that complaint is that whenever I open the trade, the trend is going to work in the opposite direction once I open the trade. Why this has happened? Because whenever we open the trade, we didn't follow the previous candle. If you can check this trade, so I open this trade, but the trend is just reverse from according to this red dodgy candle, and again the next candle it has come down, but we have a reversal. So it should be the important thing, the candle should be closed below that, cross and close below that level, and open the next and new candle is going to be open below that level or above that level. Then we will have a chance to get kind of trend situation. All right, let's move to the next, how to open trade with that. How to open the trade here. Before that, let me inform you, the William percent compares assets closing price to the high and lower range over the specific period, typically actually it's working with the 14 days of the period. The William percent was developed by Mr. Laurie Williams. That's why the name of the oscillator is William percent. How to open the trade? How to open the trade in that situation? So basically, whenever we are going to open the trade, we need to find a situation. Okay, depends on your graph time. So if we recommend the graph time for 1 minute, okay, if we are opening the graph time for 1 minute, and what will be the time frame for the trade? It should be going to be 2 or 3 minute time frame. So there is a one funda which I am using always. If I am having a 2 unsuccessful trade in a same asset, I am very much like to change the asset, because, and I am suggesting to you to do the same, because we are not here to make kind of situations be like I wanted to take a revenge of this asset, and this has happened generally. A person who's getting the unsuccessful trade in an asset, they are trying to open more and more and more trade on the same asset. Why? Because they feel that if this asset took the money, then I will take the money back from that asset. Please don't do this. So how to open the trades? If you check my last trade which I opened over here, this one, and I'm getting a profitability over here. I opened this trade for an upper trend. So there is two situations. MACD is above the line, and this line which is I'm just mentioning you over here, the line is also above the signal line, and the William percent R is also on an upper trend. So this is the mixed signal which is we are getting, but in the mixed signal I'm getting a profitable trade. For a downtrend, what we need to do? We need to change the asset first, and we need to focus for the signal, and always believe to open the trade with the fresh signal. What is the fresh signal? Let's suppose this is coming here and we are getting the William percent R which is above the line, and MACD is also above the line. So this is the fresh signal. Always remember to open the trade on the first 4 candles of the signals. Means first 4 candle, if you get to 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 candles, sometimes this has happened, the trend is reverse. Sometimes this has happened, the trend has become reverse from that area, and we are not having a chance to get a profitable trade. In terms of the profit downtrend, what we need to do? Same, we need to focus with the 2 similar results. One, if you can check over here, do not worry about the candle, but yes, if it would be a red candle, means here we will have a chance to get. And you can check it over here, the MACD is below the line and the William percent R is also below the line. Now the important situation is कि whenever we are going to open the trade, we need to find the signals and we need to open the trade according to the trend. However, always remember one thing: the strategy is not the guarantee of the success, and the time which is I'm using for trading, I mean time of the clock, this is the high volatility time frame, because at this moment there is a many news coming in the market. You saw, as per the Indian Standard Time 7:45, there is a news about the USD, and within 24 minutes also there is one news, in 39 minutes also one more news, in 39 minutes also one more news. So this is the time which is always very volatile. So always remember that a strategy is not the guarantee of the success. What you need to do, you need to always focus. And yes, this is true, the one strategy is not working. This seems like the condition, like whenever we are just checking the situation that I can give you a better example of this, like a Spanish league. Like in India, there is a cricket league, Indian Premier League. In that Spanish league, football league, or here in the Indian Premier League, there is a teams, particular teams. In that teams, they have a star performers, but it doesn't matter that Messi can make goal in every match or hat trick in every match, or Ronaldo can also make a hat trick in every match. Even the Neymar is also can make a hat trick in every match. Not possible. So it doesn't mean that if the strategy is not working for 1-2 trades, it means it's bad. You can try, and okay, one strategy is not working. Maybe this is going to be happen, but in that case, you have a more strategies. You can also check the many strategies, and you can do open the trade according to that strategy, and you will get a chance of the profitability. So evening time is always a crucial time. However, you can open the trade by using these strategies, and mostly what exactly you need to do. If you are opening the trades or by using the strategy, and you are thinking like, okay, let me open the trades with this strategy, and from the 1 or 2nd or 3rd, and I'm just getting a quick money, it's absolutely not possible, guys. Usually the concept is, if you are having a strategy in your account, you need to open at least minimum 100 to 150 trade with that. No worries, you can open the trade with the minimum amount, and you can also open the trades in your live account. Mostly I'm just suggesting to open the trade in live account because the volatility of the demo account is a very keen. So better to open the trade in a live account with the minimum, so that you need to become used to of this strategy. And once you already open 100, 150 or 200 trade, obviously you will get a chance to know how the strategy is going to be work and what is the direction the strategy is provided. And always remember to not open the trade with the single asset. We have a buffet over here. We have a many starters, many main course and sweets and many things also. What you need to do, you need to open the trades over here with that. Let me give the answer of 1-2 questions. Just give me a second, please. Akshalendra ji, hello. Ganesh ji, hello. Rohan Kumar Sonkar साहब, सर हिंदी में क्लास अच्छे रहेगा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा सोनकर साहब, आप गलत चैनल पे हैं. गणेश जी, आपसे भी यही रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा. ये जो चैनल है, इस चैनल का नाम है ओलम ट्रेड ग्लोबल. अगर आप हिंदी चैनल पे जाना चाहते हैं, हमारा हिंदी चैनल है सर, हमारा हिंदी चैनल है, उसका नाम है ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया. उस पर आपको जितने भी कंसल्टेशंस हैं वो सब हिंदी में मिलेंगे. ये जो चैनल है ये ग्लोबल चैनल है, तो यहाँ पर जो जितने भी कंसल्टेशंस होते हैं सर वो सब इंग्लिश में होते हैं. आपको जो असुविधा हुई उसके लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. जो इंग्लिश चैनल है, हिंदी चैनल है, उस पर कल कंसल्टेशन रहेगा शाम को 7 बजे, तो आप चाहें तो कल वहाँ पर ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है जी. हाँ, सो लेट्स बैक टू द सिचुएशन. All right. So, what is the best time frame to open the trade with that strategy? The best time to open the trade with that strategy, actually, if you're gonna open the trade with the strategy. So, if you choose the time frame of 1 minute, I mean the graph time of 1 minute, then you need to open the trade with minimum 2 to 4 minutes. Usually this is not actually the regulations of the strategy. Basically this is the law of the candlesticks. The people who just created this candlesticks, those are the Japanese people. So Japanese are created the law. If you open the trade, like, let me inform you like this. If I put the graph time of 1 minute, then the trade time, obviously the candlestick size time is going to be 1 minute. If I put the candlestick time is 5 minutes, then definitely the time is going to be, candlestick time is going to be also 5 minutes. What we need to do in that situation, we need to open the trade with time frame of 10 to 15 minute. If you see that the candle is already missing the first 1 minute, then you can open with the 9 minute also. No worries with that. But guys, the important thing is that you need to follow the basics. Many times whatever we are seeing that before the very important data, the market is become very silent and dicey. What is the meaning, and understand the situation of dicey, and usually where we are getting the losses. There is a trend, three types of trend basically. One is upper trend, as you already saw. This is coming down trend and upper trend, and there is a one more trend which is called sideway. So sideway trend is actually working with the range, but it's providing us options to open the trades. But however, there is one more trend belongs in this situation, which is called the trend of uncertainty. Whenever we are getting a one candle green, one candle red, small candles which is going just like lines, or maybe the high volatile candles, but which is big, but one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. That is the most important thing to not open the trade. If you are having this kind of candle, then better to change the asset. This is the best way actually. Why I am saying this? Because that will be a problematic situation for sure. That will be a problematic situation for sure. You need to at least check the trend, and then you need to open the trade. If you already saw the trend is coming from upper trend and going down, and you saw the two candles are matching off your level, then open the trade on the starting. Do not think too much before opening the trade. If you think too much, then you will not able to open the trade. And if you trade open many too much trade, over trading, then you are not able to think. So you need to make it a balance. You should be in balance situation, that whenever you are having a chance like this. So again I am repeating, again you saw I open one trade and I got a profitability and I recover my losses. The $10 10 USDT I just lost on the previous trade, and I opened the trade with the $20, $10 I recovered, and $6 profitability I got in my account. So basically whenever we are going to open the trade, you need to focus with the trend and find a proper signal. What is the proper signal? If we already saw the candles are very slow, the MACD, the both line, red and green line, which is are working in the together condition, they are working, and then we are not having a chance to open anything. Don't open the trade. If you find the trend is coming from down and just lines are crosses the way, then like this one, then you open the trade. And first you need to find a signal, but do not open in the condition like once you see the one signal is coming up and one signal is coming down, means suddenly you can check. Suddenly you check that MACD is showing one signal up and one signal down, and Williams percentile is also showing the one signal one up and one signal down. Then please try to not open the trade. Give me a second, let me drink a sip of water. Alright, thank you so much for your patience. I'm back. So let's try to find some signals and try to open some trades. Okay, not started yet. Okay, check it again. So check. Mr. Samir Kumar Daksh, this is for you also. Here we saw, okay, in 14 minutes we have one data. So now the USD, all the asset which belongs to the USD are become dicey. If we want to open the trade for a downtrend, we need to find a two signal. Signal number one, MACD should be below the level 0. Green line should cross the signal line from up to down, and at the same moment the Williams percentile is also should be minimum below -50 level. So from these last two we are not getting any signal, and we got the signal over here. But is it a correct time to open the trade? If you can ask me, I said no, but let's open. Why I said no? And also one more thing, you can check I open the trade on the 45th second. Always try to open the trade once you see all both signals together at one moment, and try to open the trade with first 10 seconds. As soon as the candle open, just put your trade. Just open your trade. That will be the finest way to open the trading with the strategies. And for upper trend, what we need to do? Same here. If you can check over here, the MACD is up. The green line is already crosses the red line from down to up. But the William percentile is not moving. The William percentile is not moving over here. So what we need to do? We need to wait. On the next candle, we are getting the signal. William percentile is also above the minus 50 horizontal level. Or here you can see the MACD is also above the level. Okay, so let me provide some more information. If you wanted to open this trade with the Forex, what you need to do? Well, Forex is, guys, a very better situation. I mean, I like very much. If you can check, I have some of the trades and I open the trades in Forex with the higher amount. So there is one trade which is already started from the 2000 USDT, but you can see this is the effect of the news. I got the 150% profitability and the profitability of 3000 euros on yesterday, just because of the one candle. This is the effect of the news. So in Forex, if you wanted to open the trade with this strategy, what you need to do? You need to choose the graph time of minimum 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. I repeat, minimum 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. And then whenever you are going to choose the graph time, especially in Forex, minimum 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours, you will have a chance to get a finest signal. You can check it 1 hour. There is no too much mix up candles. You can see a smooth trend you will get. Whenever you get the signal, you will have a chance to open the trade, and just like that. Here the signal is come and you can open, and till 4 hours you will have a chance to get a maximum profit percentage. And here you can have a chance to open the trade for upper trend. On the first signal, MACD is above the line. The both lines is not even crossed. There is a reversal pattern, and here the William percentile is also up. So a proper trend for upper trend. But remember one thing, 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. If you open the trade with 1 minute time frame in Forex, it's not working for you guys. So please remember one thing, always open the trade with the open mind, please. Okay. So let me give you some more tips for the trading. A period of high market activity means a better signal. On what is the period of high market activity? The important question is, what is the period of high market activity? High market activity means whenever we are getting the trend, proper trend and proper signals. Once you are getting the trend which is like suddenly the trend is one candle green, one candle red, do not open the trade. The most active time period for the trading is, if you are opening the trade in an Indian continental, then the time is from 12:30 to evening 10:30. However, you can open the trade with the strategies anytime. There is no boundation for that. As per the UTC 3, 10 a.m. to 8 a.m. This is the GMT 3. Avoid during trading at the time of release of important economic news. So as I already mentioned before, if there is a nearest time to the some hard economic news, at this moment please wait and watch. Do not become a phantom, guys. Seriously, it's cost a lot to you. Use the martingale system for trading, and always select the asset which is from minimum 80%. Minimum. If you choose minimum 80, then it would be better. and maximum you will have a chance to get a 93. Just remember guys, we already started one some of the guys, you are getting the upgrade on your account. How to upgrade your account and what is the benefit of the upgradation? If you upgrade your account, then you will have a chance. As you see right now, I am having a profit percentage which is right now 93%. Usually before, if you could check, then you will get a profitability which is 90%. But how to upgrade your account? You can upgrade. Here you will have a chance to get, the arrow is here. You can just click to the arrow and you are upgrading your account. If you upgrade your account, then what will happen? If you are an expert status holder, your profit percentage is going to be maximum 93% in the 6 assets, and minimum it's gonna be 80%. And the which asset you are providing, the in the advanced status you will have a chance to get 89%, and starter level you will have a chance to get a 85%. So right now I am having 2 assets which is 93%, 2 assets which is 91%, and maximum I have 82 till 80 and 85% as well. So always be update with the platform. And what is the martingale system? Martingale system is the basic key of the trading. Usually we are having a losses. Well, now let me provide you some basic tips of the trading. Always remember to not open the trade continuously in a single asset. If you have 2 unsuccessful trades on one asset, please always stop trading on that asset and change it to other. Second thing, after 4 trades of positive or negative, our emotions are basically too much influence our trading. So what we need to do in that case? Either we need to control it, and the best solution of the control, after 4 successful or 4 unsuccessful assets, please take a small break from the trading. Come back after some time and open the trade. Do not take the trading over your head, please. Martingale. Let's suppose if you deposit $1,000. Start your trade with the 1% amount, which is $10. If your $10 trade is going to be positive, then continue with the $10. Do not change it. If your $10 trade is going to be negative, then make it next trade with the $20. So $20 is going to be helpful for you. And that if the $20 trade, second trade is going to be positive, then what you need to do? Again start the trade with the $10, because the $20 trade, when the $20 trade become positive, you will have a chance to get a profitability of some part and recover your $10. If the both trades are negative, change the asset, change the strategy, change the time frame, and open the trade with the $40. If the third trade is going to be positive, then definitely you will have a chance to get a recovery of both 2 trades and also profitability and recovery both. If the third trade is going negative, then open the last trade which is coming for the $80 to $100. So we started from the 1% and we ended with the 10% maximum. So this is the base. Usually if you can check that, there is a rare chance whenever you have 4 continuous unsuccessful trades. If your 4 trades are going continuously unsuccessful, then this is only 2 reasons. Either you are doing the same mistakes every time, or every time you are not going to make mistakes. Market is also going to be bad sometimes or fluctuated sometimes. Take a break. Do not worry. Come back after some time. The time of break decided by you, obviously, and start again the trade with the $10. There is a one more option. What you need to do? I am again using the $1,000 process. Start your trade with the $10, and this is the calculation of the 100 trades with the maximum percentage. If you choose the maximum percentage, and if you open the trade with the $100, remember one thing: use the strategy properly, use the basics of the trading properly. Do not go distracted by your emotions. Then just make 100 trade, and you will see the profit percentage of your trade is going to be nearby 65 to 68%. Means if you open the 100 trade, your 68% trades is going to be positive, and then overall you will have a chance to get a profitable results. Okay, so let's take some question answers. Okay, I think Rohanji and Ganeshji, I already provided the answer of your question. Thank you so much. देवेंद्र खत्री जी, अरे हेमंत सर कहाँ थे आप इतने दिनों से, मैं बहुत मिस कर रहा था। थैंक यू सो मच खत्री साहब, मैं ज़रा वेकेशंस पे था, अभी वापस आया हूँ तो अभी आपके सामने कंसल्टेशन दे रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच मुझे मिस करने के लिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। मिस्टर एक्स ट्रेडर, ब्रो मी ना 2100 लूज, कैन यू हेल्प मी? आई एम सॉरी टू हियर यू सर, बट जस्ट if I'm not wrong and if you are not late in this consultation, then please follow the instructions which I'm providing to you, or just listen this consultation again carefully and check all previous consultation, and there is a many webinars available here, and follow the things. Definitely you will have a chance to recover your amount. Rohan Kumar, sir, can you use Heiken-Ashi candlestick? Sir, better to not change the pattern of the strategy. We have some of the strategy which is with the Heiken-Ashi candlesticks, like we have Rohanji, I'm giving the answer to you, please. Okay, we have the strategy like Millennium, which is also belongs to the Heiken-Ashi, if you can check, and also we have the Rodeo, which is also providing the Heiken-Ashi, Horizon with Heiken-Ashi. So there is a many, but यहाँ actually the condition is and concept is कि we should not going to change the pattern of the strategy, because this strategy is coming on our platform with the standard setting, and if you change it, maybe the conditions are going to be changed. All right, okay. Those who are actually here and asking me to consult in Hindi, guys, I kindly request you, please join the platform Olymp Trade India channel we have. So thank you so much, have a nice day, please take care, best of luck for your trading. Jai Hind, good evening.